Good morning, my bright little snowflakes. Today's lesson is extra cool. We're learning about the 4 seasons. Inside the igloo classroom, Mr. Winter Owl sits on a snowy globe at the front of the room. Ana-roo holds up a calendar with colorful pictures. Sparkle giggles, ooh. You mean like salt, pepper? Ana-roo laughs. Not those kinds of seasons, Sparkle says. These are spring, summer, fall, and winter. Blizzard grinned. Winter's our favorite, right? Snowballs, Snowy added, and hot cocoa. Frost asked, do the snowflakes take a nap in the other seasons? Ana-roo says spring is when flowers wake up, and everything begins to bloom. Sparkle sniffed a flower and giggled. Snowy says, look, baby bunnies and rain puddles. Blizzard asked, do we still need our capes in spring? Of course, says Ana-roo. Frost squinted in the sunshine and groaned, it's so warm I could melt my popsicle. Snowy giggles, Frost, that's your popsicle, you're holding it upside down. Everyone burst out laughing as Frost stared sadly at his dripping treat. Summertime. Ana-roo explained that fall is when the leaves change color. And Blizzard catches one and laughs, it's like nature's confetti. Snowy jumps into the leaves. Everyone giggles as the leaves danced around them. Ana-roo smiles, and then comes winter, the season of snow and snuggly blankets. Frost cheered, my kind of weather. Time for sledding, says Blizzard. And cocoa with marshmallows, says Sparkle. Ana-roo laughs, that's right. Spring grows, summer shines, fall glows, and winter sparkles. See you next time. Please share, like and subscribe. Think about what is your favorite season.